Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Buick LaCrosse Premium 1. Stock number Z6479XXA. 94,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this LaCrosse brand new, carbon black metallic in color. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample trunk with a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium one has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers. Tilt and telescopic wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror and HomeLink garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter V6, 303 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6479XXA to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.